Have you ever stopped to think how transportation works in the coldest regions of the planet, where roads disappear under mountains of snow and the cold is so intense it even freezes engine oil? In places like this, regular trucks don't stand a chance. But humans have never accepted limits easily. That's why engineers around the world created true steel monsters. Machines that look like they came from another planet, designed to cross glaciers, face blizzards, and deliver supplies where no one ever imagined reaching. Some of these trucks are so massive and powerful they seem to defy the laws of physics. Others are rare legends that only a handful of people have ever seen up close. But they all have one thing in common. They were built to conquer environments that would make any ordinary vehicle give up within the first few meters. Today, you're going to discover the greatest off-road snow trucks ever built. A journey through decades of extreme engineering that still impresses even the experts. Ready to see these beasts that defy the impossible? Stick with me until the end, because the truck that takes first place will completely change the way you imagine transportation in frozen lands. Nodwell 110. Back in the 1960s, when exploring the Arctic was something only the bold dared to attempt, a machine appeared that looked like it came straight out of a dream, or a nightmare, depending on who you asked. The Nodwell 110 was built in Canada for one reason. Regular trucks would just sink in deep snow. Engineers thought, if tires don't work, let's use tracks, like a tank. And it worked brilliantly. This beast came with a 4-cylinder inline engine, about 3 liters, producing 140 horsepower. That might sound small compared to the giants you'll see later. But in those frozen conditions, it was more than enough to haul tons of equipment without breaking a sweat. Picture this: the silent Arctic, broken only by the low rumble of its engine. Wide tracks pressing into soft snow, leaving behind a trail that looked like a freshly carved road. Small on the outside, but tough inside. It was born for the cold. In practice, it was used to carry supplies and tools to areas where not even planes could land. Oil companies in Canada and Alaska depended on it to reach remote drilling points. Without this machine, many workers would have been stranded or frozen trying to cross those white plains. And here's no exaggeration. One of these trucks ran for 30 years at an Alaskan research station without ever needing replacement. 3 decades of storms, cracking ice, and bone-chilling cold, yet it always came back home in one piece. Think that's impressive? Hold on, because the next truck looks like something out of science fiction. An amphibious machine that once rescued stranded astronauts in the snow. ZIL 4906. In the 1980s, during the peak of the Soviet Union, a truck emerged that seemed otherworldly. The ZIL 4906 wasn't made for roads, farms, or cities. It was designed for rescue missions where practically nothing else could reach, through deep snow, frozen rivers, and even unmapped territories. This monster had a V8 7-liter engine producing around 180 horsepower. But what made it truly unique were its gigantic low-pressure tires, making it almost float on snow without sinking. From a distance, it looked like it was gliding over pillows. Visually, the ZIL 4906 stood out instantly. Long body, high-set cab, almost military in appearance, ready to invade the North Pole. Its deep engine growl echoed across the icy plains, moving across snowfields as if they were paved roads. In practice, it was essential for search and rescue missions. When Soyuz space capsules returned from orbit and landed in remote frozen wilderness, it was the ZIL 4906 that reached the cosmonauts. Rivers, frozen lakes, howling winds, nothing stopped it. Few know this, but during one of those rescues, only a single ZIL 4906 made it to the exact landing site. Any other vehicle would have sunk or broken down long before getting there, and were only just warming up. If this truck already amazes you, wait until you see the next one, a Russian machine built to handle snow so deep, even modern drivers would hesitate to take it on. TROM 20. In the 1970s, in the frozen city of Surgut, Russia, a truck was born that seemed to challenge nature itself, the TROM 20. Designed to work where snow is so deep, regular trucks would sink instantly, and where the cold could freeze engine oil solid. Unlike other vehicles in the region, the TROM 20 had no tracks. Instead, it featured massive, low-pressure tires, nearly as tall as a grown adult, allowing it to literally float over snow and mud without sinking. This made it capable of crossing thawing swamps and soft winter snow with stability and grip no other truck could match. Powered by a V8 engine of about 8 liters and delivering 250 horsepower, it had more than enough strength to haul huge loads. What made it even more impressive was its articulated chassis, allowing it to maneuver in tight spaces where other heavy trucks struggled to turn. Watching a TROM 20 in action is a sight to behold. Imagine it, slowly crawling across a white, endless field, its tires leaving deep prints while the cab stays steady, even as the terrain beneath looks ready to swallow everything. The engine hums with determination, giving you the feeling that nothing could stop it. In practice, the TROM 20 became essential for Siberian oil and gas operations. It transported pipes, tools, drilling rigs, and even mobile shelters to roadless, frozen sites, keeping exploration alive even during brutal winters. Even today, some of these trucks remain in service, doing exactly what they were built to do: conquer the Russian Arctic without fear. Enjoying this journey through the world's greatest snow beasts? Then hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next monsters we're about to reveal. Euro 5920. In the 1980s, when the Soviet Union needed to deliver supplies to places where not even tractors could make it, they built a machine designed for the impossible: the Euro 5920. Unlike regular trucks, this beast was articulated with massive tracks, created to glide over deep Siberian snow and even swamps during the thaw. This Colossus had a V8 diesel engine with about 13 liters, producing roughly 300 horsepower. It wasn't built for speed, but for brute strength, able to haul fully loaded cargo over incredible distances. Just looking at it, you knew it was on another level. A tall cab, long body, and articulated rear section that looked more like a military convoy than a truck. The sound of this machine was unforgettable. Heavy, constant, the kind of engine roar that made the ground vibrate as it passed. Its enormous tracks crushed everything beneath, carving paths where no trails had ever existed. In practice, the Euro 5920 was crucial for transporting oil equipment, fuel, food, and construction materials to Arctic bases. It could cross areas where no other vehicle had a chance. Cracked ice, deep mud, frozen rivers, nothing stopped this giant. Despite its size and weight, it maneuvered surprisingly well thanks to its articulated design, inspiring future Arctic vehicle engineering. To this day, in some remote Russian outposts, you can still find Euro 5920s working as if time had never passed. And if you think you've already seen big, just wait. The next truck is so massive and powerful it seems built to climb snow-covered mountains without ever stopping. ZIL E-167. In the early 1960s, as the Soviet Union pushed deeper into the planet's frozen frontiers, a truck emerged that defied all logic. The ZIL E-167 was a massive prototype designed to cross landscapes no other vehicle dared to touch. Equipped with a 10.4-liter V8 engine producing around 300 horsepower, its most striking feature was its tires. Enormous, nearly 2 meters tall, made to float over snow while maintaining traction on endless white deserts. Visually, the ZIL E-167 was intimidating. A wide cab, reinforced chassis, and 6 gigantic wheels giving it a dominating presence. When it accelerated, plumes of snow shot skyward while its roar echoed kilometers away. A reminder this was no ordinary truck. Designed for military missions and Arctic exploration, it hauled heavy loads across routes without roads. Despite never reaching mass production, it became a legend, proving it was possible to build a vehicle capable of conquering the harshest winter conditions. During testing, the ZIL E-167 faced snowstorms so severe They stopped entire convoys of military vehicles. It was the only one that kept moving, returning to base without significant damage, a feat that even amazed its engineers. And if you think that's extreme, the next truck shows that the race for power and mastery over snow was only just beginning. Tatra T813 KOLOS. In the 1970s, in what was then Czechoslovakia, a truck was born that seemed tailor-made to challenge terrains no one dared to cross. The Tatra T813 KOLOS wasn't just large, it was a true titan of frozen roads and pathless wilderness. This giant packed a 12.7-liter V12 diesel engine with roughly 270 horsepower. With 8-wheel drive, it had insane pulling power for heavy loads, even in deep snow or thick mud. It had a distinctive look, angular cab, high chassis, and wheels so big they seemed built for military warfare. Its standout feature was its independent suspension system on all wheels, revolutionary for its time. This gave it unbeatable traction and stability over rough terrain like glaciers and frozen boreal forests. Drivers said it felt like steering a steel ship across ice, always in control. In practice, the Tatra T813 KOLOS was used to transport missiles in military operations and even for heavy industrial work in severe climates. But what really impressed people was how easily it conquered snow, climbing white slopes like they were asphalt ramps and plowing through blizzards without the cab even shaking. Even though it started as a military machine, some versions ended up in private collections. One European collector even restored a KOLOS just to drive it at winter events, turning heads wherever it rolled. And as impressive as this beast is, the next truck proves that when it comes to power and adapting to frozen terrain, the Soviets were only just getting started. MAZ 543. When you talk about gigantic trucks built for impossible missions, the MAZ 543 is always in the conversation. Built in Belarus during the Soviet era, it was designed for heavy military tasks and, of course, to handle the unforgiving terrain of snow, ice, and mud. Under its cab, this monster hid a massive 38.8-liter V12 diesel engine. Yes, 38 liters, producing over 525 horsepower. With that kind of power, it could tow intercontinental missile launchers weighing dozens of tons, crossing frozen landscapes without breaking a sweat. The MAZ 543's size is mind-blowing. A long chassis, 8 giant wheels, and a cab positioned far forward made it look more like a train on tires than a conventional truck. When it revved up, the metallic roar echoed for kilometers, breaking the icy silence. Besides its military role, it was adapted for civilian use, particularly in the Arctic, where it hauled massive cargo to remote bases. Its engineering was so robust that even at -40 degrees Celsius, performance never dropped. Few people know that some units were even used for rescue missions in isolated areas, hauling heavy gear to free entire convoys trapped in snow. No other vehicle could go that far and come back intact like this one. And we're still not at the top of the list. The next machine is a true Arctic Titan, built not only to handle heavy cargo, but to dominate the most extreme Russian terrains. If you're enjoying these massive snow conquerors, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss another video packed with insane trucks like this. Vityaz DT-10. If you thought we'd seen big and powerful trucks already, what comes next is practically a war tank built for snow. Created in Russia for heavy-duty work in endless winter, the Vityaz DT-10 is one of the most impressive machines ever to crawl across ice. This beast is articulated, made of 2 sections joined by a central hinge that bends and flexes, allowing it to follow ground contours effortlessly. Each section rides on massive tracks, giving it full traction on surfaces where even military vehicles would sink. Powered by a 13-liter diesel engine, producing around 420 horsepower, it can haul loads of up to 10 tons without losing a beat, traversing deep snow, frozen rivers, swamps, and even rocky terrain with ease. Watching a Vityaz DT-10 move is mesmerizing. Its 2 sections glide as one body, cutting through ice with confidence. The crunch of its tracks blends with the deep engine growl, a raw display of mechanical power dominating nature's toughest elements. Used for hauling fuel, supplies, smaller vehicles, and even drilling equipment in roadless wilderness, it's also vital in military operations and rescue missions in remote parts of Siberia and the Arctic. Despite its massive size and weight, the Vityaz DT-10 can cross frozen lakes and boggy wetlands without sinking, thanks to its perfectly balanced weight distribution. Few vehicles on Earth can work year-round in such hostile environments, but this one does it effortlessly. And if you think that's the peak of snow engineering, brace yourself. Our number one truck is so colossal, it feels like it was designed to defy not just snow, but the limits of imagination itself. Crest AHT-730C. At the top of our list is a truck that looks like it came from a futuristic movie, but is very real, operating in the harshest place on Earth, Antarctica. The Crest AHT-730C was specifically designed to handle eternal ice, transporting people and cargo to research stations unreachable by ordinary vehicles. Built in the United States, this massive wheeled machine is jaw-dropping even from afar. Its tires are nearly as tall as a grown adult, and its long frame can carry large groups of scientists or tons of supplies across frozen plains stretching hundreds of kilometers. Under the hood, it packs a Caterpillar diesel engine, pushing roughly 600 horsepower. That kind of power lets it move slowly but relentlessly, even when snow is so soft it swallows regular trucks whole. Seeing this truck in motion feels surreal. It glides over ice like a land ship, offering a stable, surprisingly comfortable ride even in polar blizzards. Its spacious heated cabin is designed to keep passengers safe in temperatures plunging below -40 degrees Celsius. In practice, the Crest AHT-730C is essential for Antarctic logistics, moving researchers, scientific gear, and even entire building structures between remote bases. Without it, sustaining research operations in this hostile land would be nearly impossible. Few people know this, but the truck was engineered to run for weeks without major maintenance, enduring cutting winds, deep snow, and brutal cold. A modern legend of polar engineering. Today, we've journeyed through snow-conquering giants, from pioneering 1960s Arctic explorers, through Soviet missile-hauling monsters, all the way to the Antarctic Titan, the Crest AHT-730C, a truck that knows no limits. These aren't just machines, they're steel legends, making it possible to live, work, and explore places most people wouldn't dare set foot. They prove that with engineering and courage, humanity can overcome even the fiercest Arctic winters. Now tell us in the comments, which of these trucks would you dare to drive? And which one gave you chills just imagining the engine roaring across snow and ice? If you liked this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell, because every week we bring you incredible stories of machines that rule ice, snow, and the world's harshest extremes. See you in the next video.